In this video, I'll show you how to copy a Reels audio link. So as you can see right here, I have in here this Reel on Instagram. And for example, I just want to copy the audio and not the Reels itself. What I can do is I can click on the music icon right around here, and then we can see this. So this is the audio that Reels actually used. Now in here, you can click on this use audio if you want to use it as is. However, if you just want to copy the Reels audio link, you can click on the three dots and then click on this copy link. For this one, you can also click on the three dots as well and then click on the show QR code, and that way people should be able to get the link or the QR code for this particular Reel audio. So you can head over and also send it to your friend by clicking on this audio icon or the share icon right here, and then just send it to a friend. So that's how you copy your Reels audio link 2025. Hope we help.